How good are crispy potatoes? But there's a few little rules you need to remember when you're making crispy potatoes to ensure that they're crunchy every single time. After you've peeled all your potatoes, I'm just rinsing them in a little bit of water, and then I need to place them in a pot of water. Now this is where people go wrong. They place it in hot water. The water should be cold and we want to bring up the temperature. So place the potatoes into a pot of cold water. Then I'm going to bring these to the boil and cook these for about 20 minutes or until they're really tender. This is a crucial part for our crispy potatoes because we want to par cook them. So all we're pretty much doing in the oven is making them golden and super crispy on the outside. So heat on, pinch of salt, and we'll let them cook. This will come to the boil and I'll cook them for 20 minutes. Once they're cooked, I'll drain them and then I'm going to rough them up in a colander. Now that these potatoes are cooked, you can see what I'm doing. I'm just roughing them up in the colander. See all these little spots here that are really jagged and textured? That's what we want for a crispy potato. This steam also is the enemy of a crispy potato. So what I like to do is place these onto a tray that has a rack on it and then just break them up into the sizes you want your roast potatoes. Then allow them to cool completely and they can go in the oven and you can use whatever oil you like to cook them in. Duck fat is delicious. Olive oil is great too, or really, really hot vegetable oil works a treat. Perfect crispy potatoes. They've been in the oven for about 45 minutes until they're super golden brown. I'm going to dig in even though they're piping hot. Listen to this crunch. That's how you roast a potato. Too good.